Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney. So how to generate insane AI art for beginners. So it's incredibly easy to use, completely free, and with some basic knowledge that this video will give you, you will be able to create beautiful pieces of art yourself. So the easiest way to access this is using Discord. If you don't have Discord already, you can just head on over to discord.com and simply download it if you are not familiar. If you are not familiar, it's like WhatsApp for communities. Once you fill out, you have a Discord account and we can get into using Midjourney. Now that you have Discord set up, you need to join the Midjourney server to use this. As promised, it's going to be super simple. You just go to discord.gg/midjourney. Once you confirm the invite, you are just join the Midjourney Discord server, and this is by far the easiest way to interact with it. All you need to do is go into one of these newbie channels and type /imagine. Now I tell it the keywords of what I want it to generate. And now we are going to give it two instructions to make the results very realistic and detailed. One last thing, to get the best results, you have to type --v space 4. That tells it to use version 4 of Midjourney, which will give you the best results. Additionally, I also tell it /air 2:3. This picks the aspect ratio and you have the option of 2:3, 1:1 or 3:2. Hit enter and now you have to wait and you will get some kind of these results. U stands for upscale, which means if I like one of these, it scales it up for resolution, and V stands for I like the version. Create 4 more like that. And then you can easily choose the version and you can simply save these photos as well. And you can generate 25 of these free, and it costs $10 a month to get 100 of these, which also allows you to generate them privately as this is public. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.